sleek, deadly, and purposeful. Here is an awesome kit from KK, the Messerschmitt Me109 G6. Let's dive in. So here we have from a company called KARTONOWA KOLEKCJA, the Messerschmitt Me109 G6. As you can see, the scale is 133. It's number 26 in its company build series, which is good. And you see the lovely sheen? And there it was made in 2016. So this kit is not exactly new, but the quality and presentation of the kit is awesome. It had cost me approximately $8 from Orlik. On the inside, nice sheen. The paper thickness is at least 200 grams, very nice, very thick. And you see some photos of the actual G6. As you can see, the instructions are in Polish. And here the symbols to aid you in cutting. It is in Polish and then in English. Beautiful. That will be of tremendous help to all of us. So as we come across to the other page, we see that it shows you the plan section and the side view. The cockpit area, really nice. I love the fact that they put a picture in there to show you what it's supposed to look like. Look at that instrument panel, the rudder pedals, the gun sight, the rear gun sight. That's, I think, is the adjustment for the elevator tabs. You see the seat belt, detail for the rudder pedals, really nice. Look at this. Look at the framework. And you have the option, very interesting. You can either build it without the ailerons or with ailerons and flap. I think that's an oil cooler. And there you see the wing sheet panel. And I think that's a split flap oil cooler, the flap. And look at the wheel build up detail. Really nice. The spinner. Very interesting. I like the clean layout of the kit. This should be easy for many beginners. There, the air intake. This is one of the signature features of the G6. And we have the canopy. Now, looking at this, we can clearly see the framework for the main wing. Love that they provided the swatches, the spinner, prop blade, paddle prop blade it looks like, and the formwork for the fuselage. I love the fact that they went into so much detail and yet still so clear. They, I think, have achieved a nice balance. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. This is perfect. All the camo scheme is proper. You see the stressed skin. This is pretty decent. And you already see that's the aileron tab you can flip over. That's a fuel tank. Engine exhaust manifold. And that there is an air intake, how to build it up. Look at that. It shows you just the detail of like the oxygen and the fuel type symbols. It's fairly detailed. And of course, the distinctive bulges on the forward fuselage that contain the machine gun mechanisms. Yes. Trying to find the fact that it's about 140 to 150 grams. Yeah, let's look at this cockpit. Really lovely. The details are already there in case you want just a quick build, or if you feel like, you can add extra details. Beautiful. You see these here? You just add in those spaces to build it up, to give it 3D, more of a 3D quality. And the instrument panels. Nice. Color is nice. It's really neat. And of course, more instructions for the completion. But there is so much diagram in the kit that it shouldn't be difficult to assemble. Look at these. It's really, really nice. And here again, like I said, even for English speakers, you look, there's so many pictures and diagram showing you what the model's supposed to be like. That's the plan. That's the profile, and that's a front view. So you see everything that you need to see that make you be able to build this kit without a problem. Really, really nice and a decent way to get it done. Looking even at the cover with, again, all the photos that show you the different angles that will help with our build construction. This should be good. I want to know if anyone out there have built this kit before. Let me know in the comments if you had any issues or how did you find the kit overall. So until then, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. Take care, walk good, be gentle to yourself, and one love.